Yeah, here's a misleading look outside. It looks beautiful outside, but when you have a cold air mass sitting over you, man, it does not feel good. 4 below zero at the airport right now, but here you go. Northwest winds at 15 miles an hour. It feels like 24 below zero right now across a lot of the Omaha metro. 19 below in Gretna, 27 below in Fremont, 23 below in Plattsmouth. And as I zoom back out, you see those wind chills pretty much everywhere between 20 and 30 below zero. That's why we have the wind chill advisory in effect through noon. Wind chills staying 20 to 25 below in the metro through the morning commute. So that's why you need to cover up head to toe, because anytime you get wind chills 25 to 30 below, which are mainly going to be in rural areas of western Iowa, you could get frostbite in as little as 25 to 30 minutes. Wind chills still way below zero through the middle of the day and maybe briefly hitting zero this afternoon. So this large air mass of cold air sitting over us because of high pressure. And we still have a lot of cold air to spin through the northern and eastern parts of the U.S. over the next few days. So that cold high pressure will keep us dry. But you see this big swirl in the South Pacific? We're going to see a push of energy from that as we go into the middle of the week. And it's going to bring us a chance of accumulating snow. Nothing through Wednesday. It's Thursday where we see a quick moving storm system, possibly with light to moderate snow. And the GFS agrees. Early this week, no issues, just cold, but then heading into Thursday, a quick moving storm system with light snow and the potential there for a thin strip of slightly higher totals. Impact weather from those bitter wind chills through this morning, 18 sunny and cold tomorrow, up to 26 on Wednesday. Thursday, there will be an impact from that snow, and then we're quiet on Friday before we see rain, a wintry mix, and snow on Saturday.